Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad AFIQ and I'm from group 24. So for today I will present activity 1. So for activity 1 it will consist of 2 push button and 1 lamp. So to start the simulation we must click this and then to ensure the simulation is run correctly, we will see PLC started and PLC stopped here. And then to run the true and false of the PLC circuits, we will take debug instance and then pick false true or false. So here is the results of the simulation. Okay, next we will go to exercise 2. For exercise 2, we have 2 push button and 1 siren. But for push button, we have the normal and congested one. So for push button 1 is the congested push button, while for push button number 2 is a normal push button. So next we continue to simulation of the circuits. Okay, so as we can see here, the circuit runs smoothly. And then to go to true and false of PLC section, we use debug instance. So here we are. So as we can see here, the circuit are running completely and the siren is turned on. So that's all for activity 2. So next we will go to activity 3. So next we continue to activity 3. For activity 3, we have 2 push button and 1 lamp. So it's just the same as activity 2, but the siren will be changed it with lamp, and we have 2 push button, which is for push button 1 we have a normal, and push button 2 we have the congested push button. Next we will go to the simulation of the circuits. So as we can see here, the circuits of PLC were running correctly and smoothly. Next we will go to true and false section of PLC, and we will use debug instance. So if we change it to true and false, it will give the results of which either the circuit is turning on or turning off. So that's all. Next we will continue to activity 4. Okay, so next we will go to activity 4. For activity 4, we have 2 push button, which is 2 of its congested push button and 1 lamp. So next we will continue to the simulation. Okay, so we can see here it shows that the circuits of PLC were run correctly and smoothly. Next we go to true and false section of PLC circuit. So as we can see here, if 2 of these will go false, it will turn on the lamp. So that's all for activity 4. So next we will go to activity 5. Okay, so we will go to activity 5. For activity 5, it was quite different since it has 2 timer that including in the circuit, and it also has push button and lamp. So next we will go to the simulation. Okay, as we can see, at the PLC log, we can see that PLC is started. It shows that the PLC were running correctly and smoothly. So to test the turn on and turn off of the circuits, we can use debug instance. So we can see that after 5 seconds the lamp will be turned on. So here also as the same as the lamp, which is after the timer will reach 5 seconds, it will make the circuit energize. So that's all. Next we will continue to activity 6. So next we will go to activity 6. For activity 6, it has push button and relay. So push button, we have only one push button, and for the relay we have 3 relays, and we also have 2 timers and 1 lamp. So for this circuit we have 3 outputs, or known as 3 power lines. And then next we will continue to the simulation of the circuits. So as we can see from the PLC log, PLC is started, so it shows that these circuits were running smoothly and correctly. So to go to the true and false section of PLC circuits by using debug instance. So by using debug instance, we can see that some circuits are energized, and then we can change it to true and false. And after some times, which is 5 seconds, the circuits after the timer will be energized. So here we are, and that's all for activity 5. Thank you and assalamualaikum.
Dan salam sejahtera. Nama saya Muhammad Syafiq bin RAHMAN. Nama medis saya CE210015. Okay, untuk lab kali ini kita akan teruskan untuk berkaitan tentang PLC. Okay, so saya buat exercise 7. Okay, di sini dapat tengok ada push button 1, ada push button 2, and then ada relay, timer dan lamp. So ini circuit yang kita dah constructkan dia, and then kita sekarang ni saya dah run, and then kita akan pergi dia punya simulation. So dapat kat sini, ini antara circuit yang telah disimulationkan, and then kita nak tengok sama ada function ataupun tak function. Kita akan tekan force through. Okay, so dapat sini lampu kita menyala. Okay, so masuk data ni fungsi. Kita akan pergi kepada exercise 8, di mana akan ada counter circuit. So di sini boleh tengok push button, counter circuit, and then the on timer 5 second. So daripada sini bila timer masuk sini dia akan hold 5 second, and then dia akan baru pergi penyambungan dan lampu akan menyala. So kita terus run. Okay, so sekarang ni kita dah run punya circuit. Okay, ini adalah hasil dia. So kat sini kita boleh tengok belum ada lagi penyambungan, tapi untuk kita daripada sini kita kena counter 3 kali. So cara dia adalah false through, false. Okay, kat sini 1. Okay, so kita kena buat 3 kali. Okay, 2, Okay, ni adalah yang terakhir. So, ini yang 3. So, kita kat sini, timer akan tunggu 5 second. Okay, automatically kita punya data lengkap. Untuk yang terakhir adalah aktiviti 9. So, kat sini kita ada penyambungan data yang mudah. So, kat sini ada macam push button, 1 push button 2, relay, output, input, and then lamp. So, kita run. So, bila dah selesai run, kita tunggu. So, dah siap simulation. Okay, kita akan pergi dekat sini. Okay, so sekarang ni kita ada keadaan macam ni. So, kita akan tekan pada push button untuk okay, bila kita tekan push button, semua data lampu akan menyala. So, bila kita tekan push button 2, automatically dia akan off. So, kat sini saja. So, kita tekan balik. True. Tak ada. So, kita pergi kat sini balik. Pun tak ada.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okey. Hari ini saya akan membuat simulation bagi aktiviti 10. Okey, simulation bagi aktiviti 10 telah saya buat seperti berikut. Okey, kita akan lakukan run. Okay, apabila push button B1 ditekan, lampu akan menyala. Apabila push button stop 1 ditekan, lampu 1 tidak akan menyala. Push button 2 ditekan, lampu 2 akan menyala. Tetapi bila push button stop 2 ditekan, lampu 2 tidak akan menyala. Okay, this is activity 11. We need to simulate activities 11. Okay, this is a ladder diagram for activity 11. First, we need to click a push button. We need to click a push button and at 3 times. The lamp is on, and in 5 seconds a timer can energize the relay 2 and reset the counter equal to 0. Okay, thank you for the activity 11. Okay, seterusnya mari kita melihat aktiviti 12. Simulation bagi aktiviti 12 seperti berikut. Aktiviti 12 mempunyai komponen push button 1, push button 2, relay 1 and relay 2, lamp 1 and lamp 2, and have a counter and timer in 5 seconds. We need to run. Okay, relay 1 is a timer. It need 5 seconds to on the lamp. When we click a push button 1, a relay can energize relay 1 and make a lamp is on. Lamp 1 is on. When we click a push button 2, Lamp 1 is off. Lamp 1 is on, still on. And reset. We need reset. Now, lamp 1 is off. Thank you for me.